Hi everyone. I hope all of you are having a good time and enjoying the YouTube videos we are creating for you, especially on Superset. We received a really good feedback on all the videos, and I'm trying to answer all the questions as soon as possible. So today we are going to start another tutorial series around finance automation. And as a first step, we have created we have published two tutorials. One for this using Yahoo Finance to fetch prices and history, and second is using depreciation schedule generator. So both of I put in the code for both the tutorials is available on GitHub repo. And what I've done is basically, so both demos are available on Streamlit. So let's go one by one. So this is first depreciation scheduler, and yes, we want it back. So while this app opens, so let me talk about Mudric Lab. So Mudric Lab is a very simple website we have created, which provide very detailed step-by-step guideline or guidance or tutorial for each and every video we have created, and we're going to create in future. It's a very very layman level guide, so you can follow even if you don't have any background in finance or coding. And then if you go to lab here, so for the demos we have created, the two demos, you have the code also. If you go to repo, for example, you'll get the code here, and if you click on the demo, it will take you to Streamlit page. So this one is opening up. Just give another minute maybe. So maybe we'll start with the Yahoo Finance one. So here's Yahoo Finance demo. It's a very simple demo. You can get the information from the Yahoo Finance or any other finance website. The idea is if we need to use this in our workflow to automate certain the process of extraction or the process of getting the latest updated prices and revaluation your portfolio. So this could be really useful. So you can embed this code into your workflow. So this is Apple. Let's try to load the data. It's very simple. So you see it's running. Hopefully soon it will fetch. Here you go. So this is the latest price, 229, and you have historical price, and then we have dividend history also here. You can download it. It gives you an option to download. Let's search another simple Oracle, maybe Oracle. So if I search Oracle, so it will automatically fetch the relevant symbol here. You can see ORCL, and if I click load data, it will fetch the price, dividend history, and stock price history, and you can give the start and end date. You can download the price history, you can download the dividend also in CSV files. It's very simple, it's very, very, very useful. So here, if you go to, similarly, this is the depreciation schedule generator. You give the name of the asset, type of asset, and cost, salvage value, purchase date, whether it's full month or exact number of days, straight line method or WDV method, depreciation rate, and if you click generate, it will generate PDF. You can download this PDF, and it is very detailed level schedule, and you can also have it. So for example, the summary is yearly summary. It will give you yearly summary of the depreciation, opening and closing book value, and you also get the monthly depreciation per month for that asset. So it's quite useful. Again, you can use this to automate the process. You can embed it into your workflow, or you can, if you're building an app, you can use this code snippet. It's available on on the repo. So going back to the Mudric Lab website, so both of these are the ideas. Basically, as we generate more code and as we create more demos, you'll see the list. It will grow. So keep checking this website and this page. And then if you go to posts here, so for example, let's go to the depreciation one. So it'll give you very detailed guide on how to deploy this locally on your environment, or even if you want to deploy your own app, on Streamlit. So we're not going to go into detail for this depreciation. What we'll do is we'll run a tutorial of how to let's before we run the tutorial of how to deploy this locally, to see this Yahoo Finance demo. Let me quickly go through. So we have created another very detailed guide using Yahoo Finance in Python. So this is very modular and detailed guide for finance and analytics team. It is very comprehensive. It tells you basically what libraries you would need to use and what the project layout should look like, how to run raw endpoints, and how to use Yahoo Finance library to fetch the prices, dividend history, and everything. So this is without UI, so you can run this in your notebook or any IDE you use. It's very simple. So based on this code, what we've done is basically we have created a Streamlit app, and that app you can deploy on your local environment. So that's what we're going to do today. So we have used the same code, but just for local deployment. So again, I don't need to give you detail about what Yahoo Finance is. It is the repository or database of the financial data which you can use for valuation, for education purpose, for dashboards, for proof of concept, anything you want. For technology, we use Python, Streamlit for UI, request, pandas, plotly, Yahoo Finance, GitHub, Streamlit Cloud. So the request, pandas, plotly, and Yahoo Finance are the library we have used. Very simple architecture for front end, UI. For back end, it's mainly Streamlit. Mainly we're using JSON APIs, HTML fallback, and Yahoo Finance fallback. And we're using Pandas and Plotly to populate the data. So let's do the deployment. If I go here, so I've created a folder called demo. So if I create a new folder, maybe Yahoo Finance demo. Okay, open a new terminal here. So I'm using Mac. It's going to be very similar process for others too, maybe slightly different environment and command. So going back here, so I'm going to copy this to clone the repo. So done, and then go into the directory. There you go. Create a virtual environment and activate it. Done. And then install the requirements using pip install command. It's going to take maybe a minute or two to download and install all the dependencies and all the modules which you need. So give it another maybe minute. It's done. That's it. It's ready. So now you can deploy it. There you go. So Streamlit run app.py, and we have it here. So here you go. It's running on local environment. It's very similar. It's exactly the same, So if I click load data, it will load. As you can see, it's working on the terminal. As you can see, it is fetching data. Okay, here you go. And let's search Amazon, search symbol. Here you go. So AMZN is the ticker. And it should be ready in a few seconds. You can see in the terminal is fetching information for the ticker. There you go. So we have the latest price, we have the historical price, you can change the date, you can download the price history. There you go. So you got the price history for the whole year is here. So it's very useful function. I suggest you try it, and if you need any help, you can comment, and I'll try to answer. We'll try to resolve it together. Do visit this website. We're gonna keep on adding more tutorial and more code and more demos here, and you can so you can use this code in any of your project, and let me know how it goes. So thank you very much. Have a good day.